Hey, what's going on, you guys? Hope you're all doing good. Today is a happy day for me because I got the black package in the mail. If you guys already know what this is, it's a package from Dbrand. That's right, Brando. And this has my two grip cases for my 17 Pro Max and my iPhone Air. Let's open it up. All right. Oh yeah, you get the deck of playing cards right now too. Cool. 57 cards. What the heck? Oh, nice. And I did get the leather-backed skins, so it looks like I do get a couple of the really nice microfiber cleaners. I've been running low lately. Oh yeah, nice. Very cool. Okay, so let's check these out real quick. Cool little design on the back. Okay, so here's a look at the design. Whoa. So that's the Joker card. That's pretty sweet. Let's take a quick look at all these. Is that a Jack? Yeah, I guess it would be a Jack, huh? Queen. King. Oh, these are super interesting. There's the Ace. Huh. Yeah, these are really cool. Nice. Yeah, really cool set of playing cards. Let me go ahead and give them a sniff test. Brand new cards. Let's put them back in the case for right now. And let's open these guys up. Okay, so here is the 17 Pro Max. Nice. Throw it in there. Yeah, that feels great. Boy, that smooth camera lip too feels pretty good. I like that. Or I guess it's more of a slope or ramp. Yeah, can't beat the grip texture and feeling of the Dbrand case, really. Then you guys can see I got the brown leather skin. Now, I like all black typically. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one without the skin on for a little bit. But let's take a look at the iPhone Air case. Whoa, okay, much thinner by comparison. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, yeah, still feels like a grip case, of course, but still overall much lighter package. And it does still overall retain a bunch of the, it's still much thinner than the regular case, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, this feels great, man. Kind of looks interesting with the little camera ramp, but overall it's cool. Let me see what it feels like in the pocket. Yeah, having a 6.5-inch phone that's really thin doesn't get much better than that. So yeah, I'm still really enjoying, as you guys can probably tell, the iPhone Air. Of course, the battery is crazy, and I still try to take most of the pictures on the Pro Max, but I am enjoying both of them quite a lot. Yeah, these both feel really good in the pocket. I love the grip and the texture on the side buttons. Still got the dimples, even though it's a thinner profile. Nice crisp separation and clickiness that I'm used to. Let's see, and then do we have any issues with the camera control? Now it does seem a little bit harder to slide it. It's not as responsive, at least right off the bat. Let me take it in and out, make sure that it's seated correctly all the way. Let's go ahead and put it right side in first. Yeah, it works sometimes, but it's not very responsive. So that's not good. So the iPhone Air camera control button strikes again. So as for comparison, here's a look at the 17 Pro Max. I can almost promise you that it won't have this issue. Yep, works just fine. I mean, of course, the camera control and slider is kind of funky to kind of get used to and work with, but I kind of know what to expect and how they typically behave. And this one performs as normal. This one is not so far, so not good. I'm sure it's because the actual camera control button on the phone is thinner. It's been throwing off a lot of companies manufacturing a case for this button. So as you guys can probably see, hope I'm showing this to you guys to where you can kind of see it. But I'm pretty sure the actual camera control button for the iPhone Air is thinner. I wouldn't say smaller, but I think it's thinner. And it's not by much, it's not that big of a difference. I think that's what's throwing everybody off. So if I go ahead and add another light, let's see if that helps. You guys kind of see what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's just because the Air is so thin. I think this button is a little bit slimmer than the regular Series 1. It's kind of hard to tell because it's so thin, and then this one's all black, but I think that's what's going on. Anyway, that's unfortunate. I do consider that a defect because it doesn't work as intended. I also don't think I'm going to put the leather skins on right now. I'm probably just going to go ahead and rock them both, just the case right now. I really like the all black look, but yeah, that's unfortunate that the camera control kind of only half works on the Air. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, nothing really visually off or weird about it. Let's go and slide it back in. Kind of, oh, well, there you go. I guess it just pulls out just like that. I was gonna take the lip off of it and just reseat it to make sure that it's seated in the correct position, but there's that. So, and it may very well work better after that. Maybe not, but did I put it back in the right way? I might have put it in wrong. No, I think I put it back in right. Okay, yeah, I want to make sure it's correctly set. That way I don't need to worry about it falling out again. I don't think it'll just fall out. Shouldn't. It clearly kind of plugged in as I put it back in there. So let's try it again. Okay. Yeah, not great. Still doesn't work as far as the slider. You could still press it in and the half press works fine. So you could do a half press and press it all the way in. But in terms of the actual slider, it seems like it's not working at all now at this point. And I can see now that I did put it back in the correct way, just comparing it directly to the 17 Pro Max case. Yeah, you guys can see right there, it's just not wanting to do anything at all now. I guess I shouldn't be too surprised, but you know, this case is too much money to not have something work, so it's unfortunate. But overall, the rest of the case is great. I still like it a lot, but they're gonna have to fix this issue with the camera control button. Every other company who has run into this issue has had to fix it at some point. This is just not good because it simply doesn't work. So again, just comparing it to, it works just fine on the 17 Pro Max, doesn't work at all on the 17 Air. Nothing now. Oh, I got it to go once a little bit, but now it won't go back. So that's too bad. Other than that, the case is really cool. So I'm curious to see what they're going to do with it. That's unfortunate, but overall, they're still really good cases. The deck of playing cards are really cool. What skins do you guys think that I should have got instead of maybe getting the leather ones? What are some of your favorites? Let me know down at the bottom. Hope you guys at least enjoyed the video of me opening these up and unboxing them and getting to see them on the phones. It's too bad about the Air case, but I'm sure they'll fix it soon enough. Thanks for hopping on and watching this video, you guys. Hope you have a good day. See you in the next one.